Ladies and gentlemen, dear participants of 39th International Business Information Management Association Conference, my name is Jolanta TUREK. I'm an assistant professor at the SGH, Warsaw School of Economics. Together with Aneta PLUTA-ZAREMBA and Barbara OCICKA, we prepared a presentation, The Risk of Technology Adoption for Packaging Circularity and Consumer Involvement, a Qualitative Approach. I will go through the presentation according to the following agenda. 1. Purpose of the presentation, then research methodology. 3. Compostable packaging life cycle and consumer decision-making process. 4. Technologies in the consumer decision-making process and related risk. And finally, conclusions and future research. The presentation aims to answer the following questions. 1. What's the main challenges influencing biopackaging life cycle management? 2. What is the role of consumers in the improvement of biopackaging life cycle management towards circularity, especially organic recycling? 3. How may technology support the involvement of the consumer in closing the packaging life cycle? And 4. What are the main chances and threats associated with technology adoption? The presented topic is a part of the science project New Frontiers in Social Innovation Research, Social Innovation Management for Bioplastics, financed by the National Center for Research and Development in Poland, within the program Transatlantic Platform Social Innovation Call. The Symbiote Project started in Poland on September 1st, 2020 and will last 2 years until August 21st, 2022. The Symbiote Project, the main aim of the Symbiote Project is to develop social innovations to meet the challenges of using the biopackaging, especially compostable packaging, in the food supply chains, following the principles of the circular economy concept. For the purpose of the project, the authors of the study used 2 qualitative research methods, such as in-depth interviews and focus group workshops, designed in the light of the Social Innovation Labs methodology. The findings from the first and second phase of the research, titled Defining Key Challenges and Understanding Problems, gave the answer to the first research question. The question was, what are the main challenges influencing biopackaging life cycle management? Results highlighted the low awareness and willingness of consumers to buy biopacked products as one of the main problems negatively affecting the development of the food biopackaging market. At the third stage of the study, titled Exploring Solutions, potential innovative solutions were identified. The results confirmed that the most urgent solution aimed at increasing the awareness and willingness of consumers to buy food products in biopackaging include clear labeling, so ensuring simple, visually clear information on the packaging about its compostability as a source of consumer education at the time of purchase and packaging. In order to answer the second research question, what is the role of consumers in the improvement of biopackaging life cycle management towards circularity, especially organic recycling, we carried out the analysis of the compostable packaging life cycle and consumer decision-making process. We came to the conclusion that full packaging life cycle is interwoven with the product life cycle and with the consumer's purchase decision process. As the packaging strategy, we know that what is the role of consumers in the improvement of biopackaging life cycle management towards circularity, especially organic recycling, but how may technology support the involvement of the consumer in closing the packaging life cycle? This is the third question. Shaping consumer awareness in the first phase of the consumer's decision cycle should include demonstrating to consumers the environmental benefits of using compostable packaging throughout the packaging entire life cycle. And finally, the research results gave the answer to the last research question. What are the main chances and threats associated with technology adoption within the consumer decision process? To successfully involve consumers in the packaging life cycle using technologies, consumer characteristics must be considered as a source of potential risk associated with the adoption of technology-based solutions. First one is the consumer technology skills. Presented research results allowed to draw the following conclusions. Firstly, one of the key barriers to use the technology for packaging circularity is the lack of consumer awareness and insufficient knowledge about the possibility of buying products in compostable packaging and their effect on closing the packaging life cycle. Second, there is a need for supporting consumers The findings, however, need to be viewed considering their limitations. Although we are confident that our interpretative approach has produced interesting and important results for supporting the consumer decision cycle in the compostable packaging life cycle by modern technologies, we are cautious to generalize our findings. The two-stage research is qualitative in nature and is limited to one country, thereby providing the Symbiote Project new frontiers in social innovation research, social innovation management for bioplastics. Symbiote is a joint venture, a joint initiative between researchers in Canada, Brazil, and Poland, and also United Kingdom. The project is implemented under the Transatlantic Platform Program Social Innovation Call, and in Poland is financed by the National Center for Research and Development. We are using a social innovation approach to address the environmental and